Ever wondered how prevalent hypothyroidism is and how it impacts people's lives? Thyroid disorders, particularly underactive thyroid or hypothyroidism, disrupt the lives of millions of people around the globe. It's a condition where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones, affecting metabolism, energy levels, and overall well-being. The thyroid gland, a small butterfly-shaped organ located at the base of the neck, plays a critical role in regulating our metabolism, energy production and growth. It does this by releasing hormones such as thyroxine and triiodothyronine. When this gland isn't functioning as it should due to autoimmune conditions, lack of iodine or other factors, it can lead to hypothyroidism. The effects of this condition can be far-reaching, causing symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, intolerance to cold, and even cognitive impairment. While conventional treatments like thyroid hormone replacement therapy can be effective, there is a growing interest in exploring complementary and alternative approaches. One such remedy that's been gaining attention is Korean ginseng, also known as Panax ginseng. Korean ginseng, revered for its health-enhancing properties in traditional medicine, particularly in East Asia, contains bioactive compounds called ginsenosides. These compounds have diverse pharmacological effects, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, immunomodulatory, and adaptogenic properties. There are several ways Korean ginseng might support thyroid health. First, it's an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain physiological equilibrium. Since chronic stress can contribute to the development and worsening of thyroid disorders, Korean ginseng's ability to modulate the body's stress response could indirectly support thyroid function. Second, the ginsenosides in Korean ginseng have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common feature in autoimmune thyroid conditions like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, a leading cause of hypothyroidism. By reducing this inflammation, Korean ginseng may help preserve thyroid gland function. Lastly, Korean ginseng has antioxidant constituents that may protect the thyroid gland from oxidative stress, which can damage thyroid cells and impair hormone synthesis. While there is limited clinical research specifically examining the effects of Korean ginseng on thyroid function, existing research suggests potential benefits for overall health and well-being, which could indirectly impact thyroid health. For instance, Korean ginseng is known for its energizing and revitalizing effects, often used to combat fatigue and enhance stamina. This could be particularly beneficial for individuals with hypothyroidism, who often experience fatigue due to decreased metabolic activity. Furthermore, hypothyroidism can impair cognitive function, leading to difficulties with memory, concentration, and other cognitive skills. Korean ginseng, with its potential to enhance cognitive function, may help alleviate these symptoms. In conclusion, while more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between Korean ginseng and thyroid health, the potential benefits of this herbal remedy are certainly intriguing and worth exploring further.